Anioma is not Igbo and can never join the Southeast, says someone from Anioma land. This is what he said. After insulting himself, he said that because we, either Ndokwas, Anyochas, Oshimiris, and Ikas, are formally referred to as Enuane, not Anioma. It was later I started to hear about Anioma, which is not our original name. Anioma or Enuane land can't join Southeast. They can only remain as a separate southern state on their own. Okay? Moreover, Anioma land came from Bendel State, which gave birth to the present Delta State. You don't even know history, you don't know what they talk. He said that Anioma people are called Enuane in the past and not Anioma that we are being called today. The only people that are called Enuane are Oshimiri and Anyocha people. Ika people are not Enuane people. Ukwane people are not Enuane people. The reason why Oshimiri and Anyocha people are called Enuane people is because they live in highland, upland. That is why they are being called Enuane. You go feed the Ogwashuku, they see buzo like this. You go feed the Ogwashuku, they see down Ukwane land. That is why they are being called Enuane. Enuane. Upland. Ika people are called Ika. We Ukwane people are called Ukwane. Leveled land, low land. Uku ane. Within low land. Ukwane land is never called Enuane. Because we Ukwane people, we don't live upland. Ukwane land dey two level. As Ukwane land dey, now so Ikwere land dey. As Ikwere land dey level, now so Ukwane land dey level. You know go feed there for one community for Ukwane land, they see another community. Just like you go there for Ibuzo, they see Ogwash. You go there for Ogwash, they see Ubuluku. You no go fit see such a thing for Ukwane land. Everywhere they level. That is why we are being called Ukwane. Ukwane. We have to be debunking these people's lies to teach our Anioma people their history, to tell them where they belong. No let all these people who don't know themselves to come online, they preach lies and misinformation, they deceive Anioma people. These pictures that I'm about to show you is fact and evidence that what Anioma people are being called in the past is not Enuane. Those pictures were taken by G.I. Jones, a white man during the 1930s. The first picture here is decorated pots, not Ika, Igbo, around Abo. He called them Ika people. He called them Igbo people. Ika is what they call themselves, but they are Igbo people. The second one, Ika Igbo or Western Igbo region. Now the G.I. Jones, they talk amo. The third one, Okike, Ikenga, and other shrines, not Ika. Not Ika is all those Asaba area. The fourth one, Ojupe mask, nearest the camera, and other mask or Gonya play, Ogume village, South Ika. Ogume is the name of my community in Ukwane land. He no call us Ukwane. Waiting he call us now South Ika. In the past, Anioma people are called Ika. After some time, some countries say they be Enuane, some countries say they be Oshimiri, some countries say they be Ukwane. We Ukwane people, we thought say we be Ukwane, say we not be Ika. That was how we separated ourselves from the present day Ika people in Anioma land. Look at another one here. Ogene mask, Ogonya play, Ogume village, South Ika. Now we Okwane people, this man they call a castle. Another one here. Carved wooden shrine object, South Ika, Abo town. This one here. Carved wooden shrine object, North Ika, Asaba village. You see, if I dey tell these people say, many of them when they come online, they talk rubbish, not get sense. You could be like say, they talk say they not get sense. What Asaba is being called before is Ika. I'm not talking about the name of the community. I'm talking about what all those locations, both Oshimiri, Anyocha people, Ika, and Okwane, what all of us, we Anioma people, are being called is Ika. You never the way everybody start to dey separate from that name Ika, they get their own separate name. Which day they can start to call we Anioma people Enuane? No one have ever called Okwane people Enuane people before. If you hear the word Enuane, you are hearing about Oshimiri and Anyocha people. They are the only people that are being called Enuane. He said that it was later that he started to hear about Anioma, which is not our original name. We Anioma people, Anioma is our name because that name Anioma represents Anioma people. Anioma is an acronym gotten from Ika, Oshimiri, Anyocha, Okwane. All those acronym 9 we get the word Anioma, so it represents us. During the agitation for Anioma State by Chief Dennis Osadebe, now him bring all those acronyms from the different regions in Anioma land, come together, form that name Anioma. That was how we are being called Anioma till date. So we are Anioma people. The Igbo speaking people in Delta states are called Anioma. That name Anioma is a unifying factor. That name Anioma is the identity of the Igbo speaking people in Delta states. Every region are expected to have a name. When you hear Yariba, nobody wearing ancestor na Yariba for Southwest. But today, they adopted that name Yariba, identifying as Yariba, calling Yariba their identity. For Uroboland, no ancestor for that place where he named Urobo. But they adopted that name Urobo and started to refer to themselves as Urobo people to have an identity. Everyone that speaks the same language with different dialects are one people and they need a name that they should all identify with. We Okwane people, Oshimiri people, Anyocha people, and Ika people, we are all Anioma people. Because we are Bia speaking people, we understand the dialect of our brothers, indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. We are Igbo people because our language with our dialect is called Igbo. So you can never run away from it. Any Anioma person will tell you say Yoruba speaking people are Yoruba people, Ijebu people are Yoruba people, Ekiti people are Yoruba people. That same person they come out, they talk say Anioma people are not Igbo people. They don't speak Igbo language in Anioma land. That person knows why. You can't be uniting Yoruba people and dividing Igbo people. You be from Anioma, you talk say Ijebu people na Yoruba, Ekiti people na Yoruba. The Yoruba speaking people indigenous in Kogi State, you call them Yoruba. But you Anioma person, they open your dirty mouth, they talk say Okwane people are not Igbo people, Oshimiri people are not Igbo people, Anyocha people are not Igbo people, Ika people are not Igbo people. That Anioma person will not get sense. Everybody they unite themselves. Instead of to sit down, ask yourself questions. How come we don't understand these people dialect, they understand our own? How come Oshimiri people, Anyocha people, and Ika people, they understand Okwane dialects? Even when we not speak each other dialects, but we understand each other. When we see each other, we communicate with our own dialects and we understand. If we see our brothers in the southeast, or we go there or they come here, they speak their dialects to us, we speak our own to them. We understand each other. Why are you saying that we are not brothers with the southeast? If Okwane and the Ika people fit be brother, why are they not brothers with southeast people? This is why I call such Anioma people that are saying that Anioma and southeast are not brothers. That's also why. They not get sense. When you are denying your identity, you will start bringing rubbish, nonsense as evidence just to prove a point. There is no historical document where Anioma people are called Inuani. Benin Kingdom that you see today, Benin is not the name of any Benin ancestor. Oramian called them Ile Ibinu, land of vexation, land of anger. They adopted that name and they started calling themselves Ile Ibinu. It was the Portuguese that wrote their name as Bini. That was how Benin people started calling themselves Bini till date. So Dennis Osadebe did the right thing by calling we Anioma people as Anioma people. Anioma is our identity. Even for that your identity, another identity dey inside. He said that Anioma or Inuani land can't join Southeast. They can only remain as a separate southern state on their own. Anioma State can never be in the south. Now wetin many of these people don't understand. Maybe some kings for Anioma land they thought say they don't want Anioma State to be in the southeast. Now they give them hope. No king from Anioma land can stop Anioma State not to be zoned to the southeast. You see one king for Ika, they thought say Ika people are not Igbo people. Ika people cannot join southeast. You dey see them as hope. You go hope tire. That king have no power over Ika people. That king is only talking for himself. That king does not have power over we Ukwane people. If you see any king for Oshimiri and Anyocha land, they talk say Oshimiri and Anyocha people are not Igbo people. Anioma people are not Igbo people. We don't want to join the southeast. That king just dey talk for himself. He is not speaking for Oshimiri and Anyocha people. He is not speaking for Anioma people. Anybody from Ukwane land come out and say Ukwane people are not Igbo people. Ukwane people cannot join the southeast. That person just dey speak up for himself. That person cannot stop we Ukwane people not to join our southeast brothers. So no, they allow all those people wey be say they go just come, they talk waiting their mouth, they talk say we will not join the southeast. You go believe them. You just waste your time. They believe such people. South already have 7 states. Southeast have 5 states. Anioma is an Igbo speaking state, whether they like it or not. What we speak in Anioma is Igbo language. So these people are expecting Tinubu, whose region have 6 states. They want Tinubu to create Anioma State and keep Anioma State in South that already have 6 states. So that South will now have 7 states, while Tinubu will have 6 states in their region. Many of these people know the reason. The Southeast only have 5 states. Anioma is an Igbo speaking state. Everything Anioma is Igbo is enough reason for Anioma to be zoned to the Southeast. Our ancestors in Anioma land have been agitating to join Eastern region. No be today start, it don't take. Now this person whenever chop go just come comment section, they talk rubbish. I'm telling those Anioma people that say that Anioma State will never be in Southeast. If they talk finish, may they rest. Anioma State is going to the Southeast. That is the fact. Now so it go be. It's a done deal. So everyone is allowed to say their opinion, to say what they feel. But the truth remains that Anioma State must go to the Southeast. Must stay inside. Now must. You can't decide for we Ukwane people where we are expected to be. Now we Ukwane people know what they pass through for Ukwane land. Ukwane people are passing through marginalization in Delta States. Ukwane land is suffering. Ukwane land is not developed. Ukwane land is backward. Ukwane land they pass through a lot. And somebody from Anioma will not get sense to talk say Anioma people are not Igbo people. We will never join the Southeast. Like say we dey enjoy for South where we dey. If you no one join Southeast, speak for yourself. Talk say you no one join Southeast. No they talk Anioma will never go to the Southeast. Who are you? Those Anioma people that don't want Anioma State to be zoned to the Southeast, they are very few. Go to Anioma communities, ask them if they want to join Southeast. So many of them will tell you yes. So not take some of the things where these people they come online, they talk as fact, as saying that waiting will happen. Don't mind those people. Now we the Anioma, now we know what they happen for this Anioma. All those Ika people you see saying that Ika is not Igbo, Ika will not join Southeast, they just they talk for themselves. Go Ika land, so many of them want Anioma State to be zoned to the Southeast. Come Okwane land my place, so many of our people want to join Southeast. Come Oshimiri and Anyocha, they want to join Southeast. So many kings in Oshimiri and Anyocha want to join Southeast. If you have been following us for so long, you will see where we have been posting that the Obuzo of Ibuzo, the Ikwele of Ibuzo, the Ugwani of Okpanam, the Omo of Obio, the Obi of our kingdom, the kings in Ibanke, so many of them are saying that they want to join Southeast. And they are working for it to happen. That's why we all supported Senator Ned Nwoko. We Anioma people, we dey support Senator Ned Nwoko to see that Anioma State is being actualized and zoned to the Southeast. And this person where they suffer, they comment section, they talk rubbish. Like say they talk for Anioma people. He said that, moreover, Anioma land came from Bendel State, which gave birth to the present Delta State. So because Delta State left Bendel State and became Delta State, so because of that, they cannot join Southeast. In the past, we Anioma people were part of Western region. We left Western region and joined Midwestern region. Midwestern region is Edo State and Delta State together in one state. Midwestern region was later renamed to Bendel State, which is Benin and Delta. Now Benin and Delta, they get that word Bendel. After some time, Bendel State was divided. Benin get their own state, we Delta get our own state. Now be this south where we did so. Waiting they make this person they feel say if we get Anioma State, say Anioma State go remain for south. If we Anioma people can leave Western region, leave Midwestern region, then we can leave Delta State and join Southeast. Anybody when they tell you say Anioma people not go fit join Southeast because now Western region the day before, because now South the day before, because now Midwest the day before, just know say that person not get sense. Anybody from Anioma will come out, they talk nonsense about our identity. They talk nonsense about Anioma State. Say Anioma State not go join Southeast. Say it must remain for South. We will always be here countering those people. And now through these people, we will take they teach our people for Anioma. They make them understand say we Anioma people na Igbo people. They make them understand say Anioma people and Southeast people are brothers. They make them understand say Anioma State is expected to be zoned to the Southeast. We Anioma people, we should do everything possible and make sure we support Senator Ned Nwoko. Senator Ned Nwoko needs our support to actualize this Anioma State. Anioma State is a Southeast state and there's nothing anyone can do about it. Ishiewale.